bring it on home to me. Yeah, I'll put jewelry and money too. That ain't all I do for you.